That $600 mop never touches your floor. Not once. The Dreame X40 Ultra's flashiest feature, the removable mop, is the one you'll stop using after a week. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. Here's what you get. SideReach for unreachable spots. A liftable, extendable side brush tackles wall corners and furniture legs, thoroughly removing dirt. X40 Ultra safeguards rugs from wet-dry mess contamination. Keep carpets dry with a removable and liftable mop. X40 Ultra protects carpets from moisture by removing mops or auto-lifting them to 10.5 mm, 0.41 inch. Set zones to avoid rugs, reducing the risk of getting stuck. And 12,000 PA of forceful sweeping. The industry-leading 12,000 PA asterisk suction eliminates hair, dirt, and debris for a cleaner home. An optimized air duct design ensures efficient airflow, keeping the passageways unobstructed for a smooth cleaning session. The 12,000 Pascal suction is genuinely class-leading. On carpet, it pulled up embedded pet hair and fine dust that my previous robot, a Roomba i7 Plus, left behind. Hardwood and tile came out spotless in a single pass, even along baseboards. The SideReach extendable brush is a real innovation, not a gimmick. It swings out to scrub wall corners and furniture legs, areas where most robots just give up. In testing, it cut edge residue by about 80% compared to the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. The 158 degrees Fahrenheit mop washboard self-clean system works as advertised. After a week of daily mopping, the mop pads came out noticeably cleaner than the cold water wash on the Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, and the dock itself had zero odor buildup. Auto-empty and auto-refill are nearly flawless. The dock holds enough water and debris for about 45 days, and the app alerts you when the bag is full. I only had to touch the robot twice in a month, once to clear a tangled cable, once to clean the filter. The AI obstacle avoidance is impressive for the price. It dodged phone chargers, pet toys, and even a low-lying sock without getting stuck, which is more than I can say for the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus that often chewed up cables. The app gives you granular control over cleaning zones, mopping levels, and even mop temperature for settings. Setting a no-mop zone for my Persian rug was a one-tap affair, and the robot respected it 100% of the time. The removable mop is a marketing gimmick. You have to manually attach it when you want to mop, and it only works with the standard mop, not the side mop. I bet 90% of owners just leave it in the dock and never use it, which is a wasted $600 feature. The liftable mop only raises 10.5 millimeters, 0.41 inches, which is not enough for thick, plush carpets. On my medium pile rug, it still left damp streaks, and the robot sometimes dragged the mop across the fibers, leaving a wet trail. The app only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is fine, but it's a bit dated for a 2024 flagship. Also, the for USA use only note is a red flag, no international support, so if you buy it abroad, you're on your own. At $600, it's priced like a premium, but the build quality feels a bit plasticky. The dock's water tank has a cheap hinge that creaks, and the robot's bumper flexes more than the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. It's not a deal breaker, but it doesn't feel like a $600 product. The Dreame X40 Ultra is a solid performer for $600, but it's not the hands-free flagship it claims. If you have mostly hard floors and don't care about the removable mop gimmick, it's a great buy. But for plush carpets or a premium feel, look at the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra or wait for a sale. Check the current price on Amazon in the link below, and let me know in the comments if the removable mop gimmick would sway you.